up in Kent, Connecticut. Set up right here on Route 341, right after the Mount Elgo shelter. Here's the AT going south. I'm waiting for Big T again. He should be coming down pretty soon. It's almost 6 in the morning. The old AT went across the field here. You got the AT sign. The steers are blocked off. New gate up there blocking the old trail. There used to be a bridge. It's out. Now the AT goes down the road and I don't know, 0.1 or 2, and then goes up the side of the mountain up there. But there's the setup. Got coffee brewing. Should be ready shortly. Alright, so I moved up the trail to Dawn Hill Road. I'm on the AT right now. That's heading south. Waiting for AT. He said there's some hikers at the shelter before here, about 3 or 4 miles before. So after I fed him breakfast, I figured I'd move up here. Maybe I'll catch them. If not, I'll wait here for Big T. You can see I got the sign here. Trail Magic .1, and it's down a steep hill. This is Dawn Hill Road, goes down to River Road. It's at the bottom of the hill that I'm set up, and the AT continues north that way. Hey everybody, I'm on the Appalachian Trail, hiking Sobo. So last time I met Big T was at, where was it? Pretty stream crossing here. Well, this is the spot they used to have the beaver dam. The beaver dam is no longer there. This used to be a little log going across that was rotting. They put a new bridge in. Awesome. There used to be a beaver dam right there. There's a small one there, but that was a major beaver dam. It's gone. Oops. But anyway, I'm at West Cornwall Road waiting for Big T. He's, I don't know, probably 1.5 miles back right now. So decided to hike toward him, then hike back to the road for him. Last time was at along the Housatonic, something Hill Road, but anyway, I set up and fed him lunch there, but waited there for a while, and now I moved forward to West Cornwall, and I'm gonna hike back to him and get a little exercise on the AT. There are a lot of pretty flowers along the trail as I hike up to meet Big T. Beautiful. There's a bunch of them right here. Try not to get my shadow in, it's hard to do it. And I am heading Sobo on the AT this way. So I am heading southbound. Here's your white blaze. Southbound from West Cornwall Road. In Connecticut on the Appalachian Trail.
Slow down, faster, stay the same.
Yeah, you're good. Cruise if you want. I'm fine. Hey everybody, I'm following Big T on the AT, and we are heading north on the Appalachian Trail. But we're in Connecticut, so it's Appalachian Trail. Getting a chance to hike with Big T. I've been supporting him a few days, and he had a couple miles to go to get to me, so I thought I'd get some exercise and catch up to him. I don't have trail legs, so my little legs are cruising to keep up with his trail legs, and he's got longer legs than me, so he's keeping a good pace. This is awesome, back on the Appalachian Trail with Big T. I am heading up to the Belters campsite to meet Big T. Came from back there, and I noticed these beautiful red bell flowers here, just hanging on the side of the trail. Real pretty. isn't it? There's a whole bunch of them. I am heading south toward the Belter Shelter. I slack packed Big T today, and the shelter stops before Route 7. And there's really not a good place for him to stop after that for a while, so I told him I would take the gear I was carrying in the car and bring it up to him. So I got my regular backpack is full of his gear. I should be close to the campsite. He's gonna be a little longer. I should get there before him. Here's Beller's Bump. The campsite should be nearby. Beller's Bump, not a big view here. Little one to the mountain across. But I'm back on the AT, hiking on the AT, and supporting hikers. Love it. So we're at the campsite. I'm waiting on Big T, and here's another one with a privy without any walls. Open air trees. That's the side trail into the Belters campsite. Here's site 1. The first one that you come in. There's 4 sites. The bear box is right over there. If you go a little farther up, there's a trail that goes down right above the bear box at site 2. Farther down the hill is site 3, and there's another site farther up. There's 2 guys up there, but each site is labeled with a number on them. So I'm sitting here at site 1. Big T will have to go by. Got his gear in my backpack. There's a guy in site 4. Trail name is Blink. I think that's it, Hiker Blink. But he makes these little AT medallions, and I went up and talked to the 2 guys that were up there. Blink's doing the whole AT in sections, and he's here in Connecticut. The other guy's a flip-flopper this year, started in Harper's Ferry in April, but Blink gave me the medallion. That's really nice. Yeah, I'll hang that in my truck. Thanks, Blink. Hey everyone, while I'm waiting for Big T at site number 1, you can hear my favorite bird singing out, the hermit thrush. They're going crazy right here. Love it. Sounds like a flute.